We would like to send a message to all people in Montenegro leading the fight against COVID-19.
We want to pay tribute to these women and men and say from the bottom of our heart, thank you.
To all healthcare professionals, nurses, doctors and support staff
who are working day and night to save our friends and colleagues, neighbors and strangers.
The emergency services, police officers, firefighters, military officers.
The staff of all public institutions keeping the services running.
Those who keep our streets clean, the factory workers and the bread makers.
The grocery workers who keep the shelves stocked.
The teachers and professors teaching our children under extraordinary pressure.
The pharmacists who work around the clock, the volunteers who take care of those in need, the journalists who keep us informed.
The government, the Ministry of Health, the National Coordination Body,
the Public Health Institute and the lead doctors who keep us informed and safe.
The Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the Montenegro Alliance, who helped to repatriate many European and US citizens back home.
To all citizens who, despite the economic hardship, stay at home. By staying home, you are saving lives.
As foreign ambassadors to Montenegro, we want to say thank you.
Thank you from the bottom of our heart for your solidarity.
For looking after our citizens in Montenegro. For looking after us.
We feel safe and welcome. We can only beat this virus if we act together.
Thank you, Montenegro, for being a strong and reliable partner.
We will continue to stay on your side in good times, but also in bad ones.
Hvala.
Köszönjük.
Dankeschön.
Kiitos.
Σας ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Thank you.
Dankeschön.
Dziękujemy.
Gora Milimina Magat.
Dziękujemy.
Grazie.
Dziękujemy.
Dankjewel.
Najljepša vam hvala.
Thank you.
Merci.
Mulțumim frumos.
Благодаря ви много.
Thank you.